Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I'm excited to tell you that this video is a collab with the 2Orchids. The 2Orchids are doing a Hygge video and I'm doing a Hygge video. So I'll link their video below in the description. I'm so honored that they are going to include this video in their on their channel. So thank you so much, 2Orchids. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll just get into it now, but I just wanted to do this little introduction. Thanks again, 2Orchids. Talking to you about the ways that I create hygge in my life, in my home. And hygge, if you have heard the word but don't know what it is, hygge is being present in the moment, but not only being present in the moment, but enjoying the moment that you're in. And hygge is a great way to create your best life at home in the moments. So what I'm going to talk to you about today and what I'm going to show you today are a few different ways that I like to create hygge in my life. So what I'm going to do is bake lemon blueberry bread. So baking bread is a great way to bring hygge into your life. So I'm going to make it from scratch. It's an easy recipe that I got from Taste of Home. And I'm going to put the ingredients together and I'm going to bake it. And so different ways that you can create hygge is by getting a feeling of coziness, bringing things into your home that make you feel good, make you feel that your world is right, and taking those couple of moments, whether it be 5 minutes or a half an hour or an afternoon, to just feel good. And that's what it's about. It's not about creating a scene, it's about creating a feeling. Oftentimes when it's rainy out or it's some kind of a day that isn't the best, we can look at that in a negative way and say, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be having to go out in the rain today. Hygge is when you look at that rain as something that is really cozy and makes you curl up in your home and just kind of look out the window and see it raining. And it's almost like being childlike. So if you have to go out and walk in the rain, put on your rain boots. See those puddles as beautiful creations, just like a kid would. And maybe you're not going to go stomping through the puddles, but it's just a frame of mind. It's a feeling of feeling good. So I'm going to show you a few ways that I do it with candles. And the Danes created hygge, or they thought up hygge, because they have the long, cold, dark winter days, and it's the mundane, the same thing day after day after day. And they found another way to look at that and to create this feeling of, feeling good and feeling comfortable and feeling good in your own skin and in your own environment and in your own world and in your own home. So I feel like I have some of that Scandinavian blood in me because my great-grandparents were born in Finland. And so I kind of feel like I have a little bit of connection to hygge. I also have Portuguese, so like with the Finns, they like to take a sauna and get all nice and hot and warm and then jump into a cool shower or a cool cold pool. Like, no, this girl's not doing that. I've given it a try, but no, I need to stay warm. So anyway, with that being said, come along with me. I'm just going to show you a few ways that I create hygge in my life. So we're going to start with the bread. And I'm just going to mix all the wet ingredients together, and then I'm going to do the dry, mix them together, add the blueberries. I have melted butter, lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, from 1 lemon. I have a cup of sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature. I have a cup and a half of flour. I have a teaspoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. I have a half a cup of milk. I have the lemon zest from 1 lemon, and I have a cup of blueberries. So I'm just gonna bake my bread and put it in the oven. Fold in my blueberries, my fresh blueberries, and my lemon zest. And I don't make like a fat-free version of this. I make the regular bread. You know, I'm not going to eat the whole bread in one sitting. I'm going to have a slice and I'm going to enjoy it. This is a great batter. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pour it into my greased 8x4 loaf pan. Get all that stuff off the sides. And it's about enjoying the moment of creating this beautiful lemon blueberry or whatever flavor you want to create. Orange cranberry's really good. Regular blueberry, pumpkin, banana. This options are endless. It's whatever kind that you're gonna love.
Another way that I like to bring hygge into my home and into my experience is with a nice hot bath and beautiful candlelight and spa music, and create my own little sanctuary at home. I like to create an ambiance of coziness is with candles, and candles that incorporate the elements, like this large candle in 4 wicks brings in an ambiance of fire and a fireplace, even if you don't have a fireplace in the home. And another great way to bring hygge into your moments of life is with warm, cozy drinks. And cocoa is always a great option when you're looking for a way to get cozy in a moment and just take your cup and sit by an open window and just enjoy a few moments of your day where you can just relax, see nature outside your window, and enjoy your moment of hygge.
Nice way to bring hygge into your home and into your experience by bringing nature indoors, and also some soft lighting and some candles that are unscented. These are all ways that you can create that cozy moment. So I have some soft lights, and I also have these grapevine balls. I have a wooden bowl, which is kind of that natural. I do have some winter type flowers with the white berries to give it a winter vibe. I also have a couple of these lamb's ears and some cotton, but I also have a nest from my backyard. This was from a couple of years ago. We found it in a tree after all of the leaves had fallen off and it was abandoned. So we took it in, and I'm just going to put it in here with this to bring a little bit of nature from outside inside. So I'm going to start with my candle to make sure that fits in there. And then I'm going to take my little, these little sprigs, and I'm not going to fill it up with it, but I like the white berries, and I like this, which sort of has that same lamb's ear color, which is very muted, very soft. So I will take one of these, and you can use pine cones. I was actually looking for my pine cones, but I couldn't find them, so I don't have my pine cones, but this. And so I'm just gonna kind of push them in there, get them in there so that they're just nice and lit up inside. All right, I have my light all inside my ball, and it's just like lit from within, and it has a little battery pack. And these typically will shut off after a few hours. They're kind of like on a timer, but you can't, it's just like whenever you turn it on, that's the timer. So I'm just gonna put my little battery pack inside of my bowl, and I'm just gonna kind of find a place to sort of sit this in here. There, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna show you. It's just, I'm so thrilled with how it came out. And you just gotta give yourself time to play with it, time to move it around. I'm gonna go put this upstairs on the table where I'm gonna make my little cozy spot.
flew up in there and melted and got all delicious. So I'm gonna let this cool. And I'm just going to show you one more way to bring Hygge into your life. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope I've given you a couple of tips or maybe inspired you to bring some Hygge into your life. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.
Well, you don't need a fireplace to Hygge. You just need a couple of candles, some natural cozy light, some cozy warm beverage, and a delicious whatever you decide to make at home. But in this moment, you can just take your chunky cozy throw, put it over your lap, forget the world outside, get lost in a magazine, and just Hygge. Come on up, Joey. Come on, little boy. Good boy. So good.